We're at iMedical Healthcare Solutions location here in Virginia Beach / Norfolk, Virginia. And we've gone through a lot of the facility, but we're going to do a video here just on our medical equipment showroom, medical equipment for sale. The one thing that iMedical Healthcare has always wanted to provide is an opportunity for doctors, medical professionals, and people that are purchasing medical equipment to have a place where they can come in, see the medical equipment on display, test out different monitors, test out different equipment, see items that are different price ranges, and be able to see it on display where they can actually demo it, test it, and kind of get an idea of exactly how it works. As you see here, first coming in, the first thing you're going to notice is that we've got a lot of surgical microscopes. We always try to put out multiple different models that'll be different price ranges with different types of features based on the procedures that the hospital or the surgery center is going to be doing. In addition to right next door here, we're going to have all of our exam room equipment, exam room tables, your Ritter and Midmark power high-low tables. You have your power procedure chairs, which will be used for a host of different things. Those are very popular for same-day surgery, also for urgent care. But we have all those items on display along with different types of patient monitors, physical therapy tables, your manual exam tables, iMedical equipment, and iMedical Healthcare Solutions. We do a lot of urgent cares. We do a lot of doctor's offices. Here you'll see a lot of plastic surgery equipment. We also do a lot with plastic surgery centers. We set up the entire surgical suite. So we can come in and basically get everything set up for the doctor, do the installs, do the service, actually get all the paperwork ready so when it's time to get state certification, everything's in place. This is one of our imaging rooms. If you've watched our videos previously, you'll know that here at this 75,000 square foot facility, we have a huge section that's dedicated just to recertifying and getting all imaging equipment back into good shape again, getting it all painted, clean, tested, recalibrated, new batteries. But here you've got your OEC 9800. The OEC 9800 is one of the most popular C-arm setup used in the United States. And then you have your minis, your Hologic 2s. So we have a wide variety. Also the fluoroscopy stretchers, which are very popular for procedures, being able to just come in, do a procedure for a patient, and then take them right into post-anesthesia care. In addition to the imaging equipment there, we also do a lot with ultrasound equipment. So we have another section over here just with ultrasound machines. And once again, these are all recertified. Some of the best models that are out there, I mean, you've got your GEs, we've got Logic 9s, Logic 5s, Logic 3s, your smaller ones, which is going to be your Turbo, Sonosite Turbo, your Logic eBooks, all the newer and some of the nicer equipment, but we do a lot of international business as well. So if it's OBGYN and you need equipment, we have a lot of older black and white units that are not going to be that expensive, but the ultrasound equipment is always known to be very reliable, very durable, very long lasting. In addition here, we also have your disposables, the doctors and healthcare professionals coming in that need to stock items for exam rooms or urgent cares. You have all those items here, in addition to your EKGs, patient monitors, defibrillators. One thing that iMedical Equipment and Service and iMedical Healthcare Solutions is very well known for are having complete surgical suite setups. And as I was just saying, we do a lot of general surgery. We do a lot of plastic surgery. We set up all different types of surgical suites, endoscopy, laparoscopic suites as well. And here you've got all the best equipment that you're going to find in the recertified market. You've got your AMSCO, Steris AMSCO 3080s, 3085s. We sell a lot of the Skytron 6500 Elites, also your 3600Bs, your slide tops, 6701 Hercules, and other different models. We sell a lot of Berchtold. We do have some Trump tables that are made for the Da Vinci surgical machines, surgical robots. So we have a lot of equipment, and it's all biomed certified, patient ready, comes out with the warranty, and all the accessory items. When you're setting up a surgical center, a lot of times you might get the surgical lights, the anesthesia, but then there's the back tables, the Mayo stands, the kick buckets, linen hampers, all the other items. So when we come in, we can outfit and equip everything that you need, all the way down to equipping your anesthesia carts with all your disposables. So we have all that available. Also, we have all your surgical instruments, your laparoscopic and endoscopy towers. And once again, it's all patient ready. Here's a suite over here where we've got endoscopy suite on display. We can come in here and do demos for doctors. We just had a open house last week. Several doctors were in here to look at the newest and nicest, which would be your Olympus 190 systems, which we've got here on display. And then all the accessory items that you're going to need as well, the scope closets and all the other items that are needed to do those types of procedures. iMedical Equipment and Service also makes these custom head wall units. So we do a lot of work with sim labs, nursing schools, and other different types of medical facilities that not only need the hospital beds and the furniture, but they also need the head wall systems, maybe infusion pumps and other items to train. But we sell a lot of VersaCare beds, which is what you've got here. One of the most reliable beds made in the United States, or that's in the used/recertified bed market. But we do the VersaCare beds. We do a lot of Hill-Rom and Stryker beds. We ship those beds all over the world. We do a lot of international hospitals where we basically set up the hospital and equip it from each room, all the patient rooms, surgery rooms, urgent care, emergency departments, and all. So all those items would be items that we would have here. And here's an example actually of a ER suite or post-anesthesia care suite where you would have your stretcher/gurney and then set that up. Now you can do patient monitor on a trolley. You could do a patient monitor that would be on a wall, but this is a basic setup to kind of give you a visual of what your stretcher, what your gurney might look like when you set up and do a post-anesthesia care. And then if you're looking to buy exam tables or ENT chairs, we have a lot of these also on display. Different types of exam room lighting, some smaller lighting, some larger lighting, depending on what the need is for the doctor. A lot of different models of EKGs. And we also sell a lot of the Wilch Allen otoscope systems, the wall boards, and the complete systems with the SureSign temp, blood pressure, specula dispenser, and more. So the goal here with iMedical is when you're setting up something here like an exam room, you come into one spot, you have 4 or 5 different choices for EKGs, you've got different options for patient monitors, you've got a lot of different options for exam tables, and you can come in here and see all these items on display and make decisions as to what might fit best with your facility and your needs. So this is the iMedical equipment and the iMedical Healthcare Solutions showroom in Virginia Beach. We also have these set up in San Diego, California, Richmond, Virginia, Cincinnati, Ohio. So we have these showroom setups all over the United States for people to come in, and we get a great response from all the different doctors and all the different healthcare people setting up and looking for recertified medical equipment. And we do sell a lot of items new. We do sell exam room tables and all different types of medical equipment. Also, we do sell brand new, but the main thing is offering options. So if you're looking for recertified medical equipment, if you're looking for new or used recertified medical equipment here in Virginia Beach in the Norfolk area or anywhere in Virginia, anywhere in the world, give us a call, iMedical Equipment and Service. You can reach us here at this location at 804-929-6886. You can also get more information and shop off our website, which is www.imedicalshop.com. And also come set an appointment, come visit us, and come test all the equipment for yourself. Like I said, you got all these different patient monitors, you've got all these different defibrillators, exam tables, everything you need here in one location. iMedical Equipment and Service here in our Virginia Beach, Norfolk Medical Equipment Showroom, iMedical Healthcare Solutions. We are your one-stop shop for all your medical equipment needs.